Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to edit moving pictures. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Play Store and search here Avatarify. Install this app and now open. And click on next. Close this panel and now select a song. So I'm going to select in this first one and now click on add photo, enable access, allow, and I'm selecting my photo. And here it will take some time to generate the video. And here we can see the video is moving now. And now click on save to save the video to your gallery. So this was how we can edit moving pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.